Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can track the calories in few ways on this watch. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that info. This one doesn't, but if we open the watch face menu and scroll through list of watch faces, you should find watch face that displays burned calories. Let's see. I think that this one for sure does. Let's select it, and yeah, here we have the calories burned. My bad, here we have it. You can also customize the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, find the watch face you like, you can tap on custom under the watch face, scroll through the list of options until you find the function, and then tap on one of the available pools and find the calories, or it's going to be called move, my bad. And then now we see calories, and we can press the crown button to apply the changes. Another way to check the calories is to open the widgets and check the activity. To do it, swipe left on the home screen, and here we have the activity widget. We have the calorie counter right here, the graph. We can also tap on the activity widget to open the activity app, and here we have our calories burned. And if you scroll down, you will have a graph for a day. Okay, and the last way to check the amount of the calories burned is to do it through the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch, which also will provide you with more detail. So let's zoom out the camera like this, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application, and here you should see the health page, you should see the exercise, and here we have the calories, move. You can tap on it to open the move menu or page, and here we have the daily progress, we have the graph. You can scroll down and see the move breakdown, and you can check weekly, monthly, yearly and daily info, so you can track it in more detail than on the watch. And once you're done, of course, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.